Hello, beautiful peoples. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please watch my video and subscribe my channel. Our new video, very beautiful cotton cushion covers. Cushions with huge high quality covers are a fantastic way to decorate any room of your home. They are comfortable, easy to use, and can go nearly anywhere. You should consider getting some more variously printed cotton cushions covers if you would like to add a lovely pop of color or beautiful art to your home. To browse your options, come over to Brutal Wear's cotton cushion cover collection to see what we have. We have beautiful cushion covers and cushion inners so that you can get soft covers and plush inners for your household. All of our covers are printed with incredible original designs from talented peoples. There are all sorts of designs for all kinds of people, plus you can find art in nearly any colors you can use. Have fun looking to your favorite colors or finding art that matches the rest of your home's decor. One thing that many people forget is the cushion covers are easily removed and replaced. Once you put a cover on a cushion, you don't have to leave it there forever. You can switch it out whatever you want. This makes decoration even more fun because you can change your cushion covers according to the seasons, the holidays, or whenever you feel like it. Routinely replacing your cushion covers is a charming way of welcoming in a new season or simply changing up your home a little to make things feel renewed. To know which type of cover to get, consider these qualities. Colors. What colors palette are you going? Matching colors and choosing hues that go well together make a room feel like it has more flow. Does your household decor have a curtains theme? So consider getting cushion covers that match the decor. If you like flowers, get some beautiful cover printed with the gorgeous flowers. If you are an animal lover, look at the learning art depicting iconic birds and other fauna. Always know that there is no right or wrong when decorating your home. If I make you happy, then that's good things. Choose cushion covers with art that makes you smile, inspires you, or reminds you for the